Hi guys, today is Sunday and I know I haven't vlogged much, but today I decided to vlog. We are gonna go to the flea market just because it's a beautiful day today and we want to walk. So we will be going to the flea market for a little bit. I'll bring you guys along with me and maybe film a little bit over there. And also I have to clean the house thoroughly. So when I come back from that, I might be including in this vlog my house cleaning for today, Sunday. So yeah, I have a lot planned for today. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and just stay tuned. Well guys, I am pretty exhausted from cleaning the house and also cleaning the oven. It took me quite a while. So it is right now already 7 p.m. I have something on my eye. So I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye guys.